Are you watching the stock market and seeing a lot of red, and you are wondering, what the heck am I supposed to be doing here? The stock market is down over 10% so far this last 30 days. It's been down over 2, 3% the last 2 days. These tariffs are going to wreck the economy. Whatever you're feeling, it is okay to feel it, but please do not make sudden, irrational movements with your money. In fact, just stick to your long term plan. Keep dollar cost averaging, keep your 401k investing, because you have to remember that we are at all time highs of the stock market if you rewind the clock 30 days. So that means that this number that you're seeing there is really what the stock market was about a year or two ago. That's not that big of a deal in the long term. Will this stock market go lower? Probably. Will it go higher in the future? Also probably. The thing is that you don't know what's going to happen. And if you are invested in long-term broad market index funds, the only way you lose over the long run is if all the companies go away. And that's not going to happen. Yes, there's going to be winners and losers, and we don't know what those winners and losers look like. But when you invest in something like the S&P 500, it's 500 companies. And if one of them falls out because they start sucking and they can't perform in the new economy, well, number 501 is going to go into the market. Just think of the biggest companies today, like the Amazons, the Nvidias. All of those companies 20 years ago, 25 years ago, were like in someone's garage or basement or small little shop, and they've grown into this. Well, that same thing is happening today. There is a company in someone's garage or basement that will be the next trillion-dollar company, and we don't know what that is yet. But when you invest in the broad market, the whole stock market, these ups and downs, they suck in the short term, but over the long run, you're going to realize all the gains from that. So don't freak out with the red. Stick to your long-term investing plan. Keep dollar cost averaging into the stock market. Keep those 401k contributions turned on and ride this out. It is a storm. Storms happen, but over the long term, you should still continue to see that long-term economic growth.